Strike hard, strike first, no mercy. I know Cobra Kai says that. I want to make a great little lesson out of it because sometimes we do need to strike preemptively. How do we strike first and do so in a very, very effective and efficient way? I'm going to give you guys 4 tools to do just that. Make sure you guys stick around to the end because I guarantee you the last one you probably have not heard of before. I'm going to bring Don on here, and the first one we're going to do is using the eye jab. Don's going to hold the pad up just like this would be someone's face, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to be at a farther range right here. But what I like the eye jab right here is that it's quick, it's fast. So I can do it with my hands right down, and as I snap, I don't have to get any kind of preemptive stance or anything like that. All I'm doing is just stepping on in and flicking my fingers. So I'm not chopping, I'm not like doing the Three Stooges move right here. All I'm doing is using my arm as a nice little flexible whipping tool to go ahead and whip those fingers right in someone's eyes. It's a great way that we can strike preemptively if we need to. It's Matt Newmark here, and I want to show you some great little tips and tricks when it comes down to self-defense. So make sure you guys check out this video, and if you guys want a free self-defense program from me, make sure you guys check the website below right here, and one that's also included in the description. Thanks so much, guys. The second tool we have here is a front foot groin kick. So Don's going to put the pad down low, and all we're going to do right here is just lift our foot and just kick. Notice how I'm in this range. I can put this foot under me, give it a little bit of a base, and then flick the kick up just like such. This is a great little kick, so Don, take the pad away just so I can show you how it looks like. So from right here, all we're doing is pop. Very, very quick, and it's under someone's peripheral vision, which is what I love because they're going to feel it before they even see it. So let's go over this again. As we do this, this foot steps on in and then kicks. If you need to or want to, do we even need to move this back foot? No, it's a great way to even kind of chisel this move down even more. I just simply lift this leg up and then kick. Make it quick, make it right to the groin, and you're going to be able to really throw in a great effective move right there. The third move we have is a shin kick, taken from this stance right here. I like to use the back foot, but you can use the front foot right here. Use the toes, aim right towards a person's shin. The reason why I also like to use the back one right here is because I can use the whole side of the foot. It gives me a lot of kind of room for error right there. So as I do that, I'm kicking. So either by this foot right here or this foot right here, it's a great, quick, preemptive strike. Now, here's the one that you may not know. I like to call it the tension punch. The tension punch is where I have my hands down low, but one hand is chambered behind my leg. So when I do this, I put a lot of tension. I'm putting force into the back of my leg, and then I just simply move it to the side, and that creates a low line punch that's very, very direct that people really don't know until they feel it. So if I'm right here just like this, person could be talking to me, they could have a finger in my face, whatever it is, and all I'm doing is putting a lot of tension in this arm, and then what I want to, I'm just flicking this out just like this. Let's go over that again. So a lot of tension, flick out, and that's going right down to a person's groin. Any of these moves, when we strike, we have 2 options. We can do the strike and then get out of the situation, or we can just have that serve as the first strike, and then we can continue the combative onslaught of several other tools after that. So those are the 4 tools that we have. If you're going to strike first, okay, use one of these. Hey guys, thanks for checking out that video. I want to go ahead and I want to give you guys some more training. Once again, I have a great free training program that I want to give you. Go ahead and go to the website right here for some more information on how you can get one of my training videos for free. Thanks so much. Look forward to talking to you guys soon.
Thanks for watching our video lessons here at TRS Direct. Hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube. Hit the bell icon and we'll send you a notification when there's a new lesson available. Thanks again for watching.